Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 14th, 2019, and in this video here I want to show how to collect Bok Choy seeds. So our Bok Choy did bolt. It lasted pretty much all summer for us, and it gave, and we really enjoyed it. We love the flavor of the Bok Choy. This is the Shuhu, I believe that's how you pronounce it, heirloom Bok Choy. And you can see here are the seed pods here, and I just put my hands on it and it's already starting to break open, so I'm going to take this one here off because the seeds are inside of it and I don't want to lose them. Go. And you can see the Bok Choy seeds there. So I'm just going to put this in my little container here. There we go. You can see the little Bok Choy seeds there. Now I do have on my channel how to start Bok Choy from seed, and I did do a fall crop of it, which is right here. And I had a issue with the cabbage loppers got in my greenhouse, and they kind of had a field day with the Bok Choy, so I got rid of them before I planted it out into the raised bed. So let me go for some more seeds here. And if you want to know how the seed pods are done, just put your fingers on them and put a little bit of pressure on. You can see that they're just breaking open there. I'm just going to take this over here and break it open in my dish. There's the seeds are just falling out of it. And we ate a lot of Bok Choy. We made stir fries out of it, and it's something that we really enjoyed. I'm really pleased and happy that I tried it this year. Now, one thing I want to tell you is about with Bok Choy plants is they do produce a lot of seeds, because these here are all seed pods and they're full of seeds. Now you have to watch if you accidentally hit these or like brush against them. The seed pods can explode and the seeds will just fly everywhere. So if you look over here, oops, let me get out of the light here. This is a Bok Choy plant that actually replanted itself, and this is in the one planter that we have. Sorry about the lighting's a little off. The sun is really glaring down on this, so I'm not sure if it's off on the video or just my screen. But you can see here, they're replanting themselves and they're giving me another crop. This plant here, I replanted myself. I planted these here myself and I started them in the greenhouse, but these here are coming up in the planter themselves, which that's nice because it's going to give me like a second planting of them. When you take these off, there's going to be like a film in between the two seed capsules, because there's a seed capsule on this side of the seed pod and there's one on this side, and this film sometimes will stick in between there, and you'll have to just take it out of the seed capsule to get the other side of the seeds out. So how I'll store my Bok Choy seeds is I will put them in an envelope, and then I'll take my envelope and I will put it in a Ziploc bag and store it in the refrigerator. And the reason why I do that is it gives me a longer shelf life out of my seeds, and I just find that they germinate a whole lot faster being chilled than if I don't chill them. Now, your Bok Choy varieties will cross back and forth, and you want to make sure that you're saving seeds from your heirloom or open pollinated varieties. And it should have that information, like if you research the name or where you bought it from, if it's an open pollinated variety or if it's an heirloom. And I did do a video for how to with seed saving, and I talk about what to look for when selecting your plants to save seeds from, and I also talk about like plant isolation between different varieties. So Bok Choy is a plant that we really enjoy. It's the first year that I ever grew it and we tried it, and it will be continuing in our gardens and in our planters and stuff, because we really enjoy the flavor of it. So I hope you enjoyed my video for how to collect Bok Choy seeds. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. It'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.